In many cash-on-delivery markets, 1 in 3 orders you ship never gets delivered. It goes out, the customer isn't home, doesn't answer, changed their mind, or the address was wrong, and it comes right back to you. It's called Return to Origin, or RTO, and it is the single biggest profit killer in COD dropshipping. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly why orders fail, what each failure really costs you, and a concrete playbook to push your delivery rate up. Why do cash-on-delivery orders fail? It's rarely just one reason. The order was an impulse click on an ad, and by the time the parcel arrives days later, the excitement is gone. Nobody ever confirmed the order was real, so you shipped to a half-typed address or a fake name. The customer doesn't have cash on them the day the driver knocks, or the driver simply couldn't reach them and gave up after a single attempt. Every one of these is fixable, but only if you can see it happening. Here's what people underestimate. A failed delivery isn't a 0, it's a negative. You paid to ship it out, you pay again to ship it back. The product returns handled, sometimes opened, sometimes damaged, sometimes unsellable. And the cash you were counting on is trapped. You funded the ad, the product, and the freight, and got nothing back. Stack that across a third of your orders, and it isn't a rounding error. It's the difference between a business that scales and one that bleeds out faster the more it grows. So how do you fix it? Treat every order as passing through 4 gates and close the leak at each one. First, confirm the order is real before it ships, a quick call or a one-time code. Second, track it live, so nothing goes dark in transit. Third, notify the customer at every step with a delivery window, so they're expecting the knock and have the cash ready. Fourth, capture proof at the door, a photo, a signature. Each gate you had lifts your delivery rate, and delivery rate is the number your whole business rides on. Here's the concrete playbook. 4 moves. 1. Confirm every order before dispatch. An automated call or a one-time password filters out fake and impulse orders before they ever cost you a shipment. 2. Validate the address at checkout, not at the doorstep. 3. Send tracking updates by SMS with a delivery window, so the customer expects the knock and has the cash ready. 4. Require proof of delivery, so a "it never arrived" dispute is settled instantly with a photo. Do these consistently, and a 30% failure rate can become 15, which, from the last video, you know roughly doubles your real profit. One last thing. Pick delivery rate as your North Star metric, and watch it like you watch your ad spend. Not orders placed, orders delivered and paid. And break it down, because the failures cluster. Track it per product, because one item with a 50% delivery rate can quietly eat all the profit from 3 good ones. Track it per region, because some areas simply convert worse. Track it per courier, because not all of them deliver equally. When you can see the number, you can defend it. And in cash on delivery, the operator with the highest delivery rate wins the market. Confirmation, live tracking, customer notifications, delivery windows, and proof of delivery. That's the whole Return to Origin playbook, and it's exactly what Trackify runs for cash-on-delivery operators under your own brand, across 9 countries and 500,000 shipments. If cutting your RTO is the fastest money you'll make this quarter, the links below show how the platform does it, and the free calculator shows what your failed deliveries are costing you today. Thanks for watching.